Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be another weekly plan with me, and this week I am using another kit from Paper and Gumption, although I don't remember the name of the kit, but it is super cute. It's kind of like a coffee kit type thing, and I specifically chose this kit for this week because the quote box says say yes to new adventures, and that's kind of what's going on right now when it comes to work. My old store manager actually came back to take our store back over, and so this week is kind of like a new adventure, so I figured that the quote would make it work. Plus it was super cute. So first off, I wanted to apologize for the weird coloring. I forgot to reset like the light balance and all of that on my camera, because I have to reset it every time I film, and I forgot about it until later. So I just like auto white balanced this thing, but because it is a digital screen and I am moving my hand around, there was a lot of weird color changing going on, but if I didn't do it, it was way too dark. So I apologize. I promise next week I will have this ready to go and it'll be right, and I'll be back on not having to do this crazy thing again. So, also, I quickly wanted to apologize that this was not up on Monday and that it's really late on Tuesday. Monday I ended up working and I was like, oh, I'm going to come home and I'll work on it. And then just as the day progressed, I got a really bad headache and my throat started to hurt. And I was like, oh, this is not going to happen. So when I got home last night, I took some NyQuil and sucked on like a throat lozenge thing. And I was like, no, I'm not getting a voiceover film tonight. It's not happening. So I then proceeded to just not deal with it. Got up this morning, tried to film a voiceover. My throat still hurt a little bit. So now it's like 6:30 at night. It's not so bad. So that is what I'm doing. This is also sped up super quickly this time, just because I didn't want to make it forever long, since I don't really have too much to talk about. But I did end up getting rid of the date covers in this kit, as you just saw, because I was not the world's biggest fan of them. They're not bad. I just didn't like them in my digital planner. In a paper planner, I would have loved them. So this is actually the Fawn payday sticker that I have in my shop. I believe it's up for like $3 a sheet, but I know that one's up in my shop. And right now I'm just adding in my work schedule, so I did it on the little quarter boxes. Or they're half boxes. I don't know why I always call these quarter boxes. They're little half boxes with bows, and they are super cute. And then I am putting in my orchid sale sticker that I use like as a retail worker sticker. Then I'm just putting in some more half boxes to mark big events on those days. And then I think, that was to mark $2 Tuesday or laundry or something along those lines. I think I used it for $2 Tuesday, which I ended up not even doing. And I've yet to do any $2 Tuesday shopping, so I need to do that. These are also some stickers that... Oh no, these Work 2 stickers are not up on my shop, but I can put them up if you guys want them. They would be part of a Sunday Fun Day release, and those are like 50 cents a sheet, so... I'm going to leave you guys. I'm just working on the sidebar, and then I'm going to quickly speed through, finish filling it out, and then show you the planner all together. And I totally never finished filling my planner out while I was filming this, and I didn't realize it, but that is okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any requests for stickers you would like to see in my shop, please let me know down below, and everything will be linked down below as usual. I hope you guys enjoy, and you guys have a good night. Bye!